This tutorial is Articles, Part 2. The colors and pictures on your own pages may be different to those in this movie. However, the functions are identical. We assume you have watched the movie, Articles, Part 1. If not, watch it first. In this tutorial, we explain how to create content in the form of articles. Go to the back end via your bookmarked URL. Alternatively, use your menu link to admin panel. When ready, click Login. The Article Manager is in the Articles tab. Scroll down and click Add New Article. You can also use this quick link. It does the same thing. Clicking on New Article opens a form in which we can create articles. We give it a name by typing its title here. And we must tell the system where to store our article. We do that here by using the drop-down list to choose the category we created for it in Part 1. This WYSIWYG editor is where you will create the content you want to publish on the web page. It's just like a word processor on your computer, with a number of edit buttons, such as these for bold, italic, and underline text. And it has this text box with our cursor showing the insertion point in the text box. We can type or paste what we want to publish on the front end. It's as simple as that to create a basic article. As we learnt in Part 1, we must save our work. By clicking on Save and Close, we are taken back to the Article Manager. We get a systems message telling us that our article was saved. We can see it in the list of articles. And we can see the category it's stored in. To edit any article from the Article Manager, simply click on its title. That opens this page, where you can edit the article. We recommend you experiment with these buttons to discover their full value. Also see WYSIWYG editor in the help desk at myturf.pro. Here's a few ideas. Let's change these words. Select the ones we want, click and drag. Many of these buttons will transform the selected text. We'll just change its color. Creating or editing hyperlinks is something you'll want to do. Select the link words. The link buttons, icons that look like links in a chain, become highlighted. The first icon undoes an existing link, and the second inserts or edits one. Our example needs the second icon. The link editor will open in a light box on top of your work. You might want to edit the URL of the hyperlink. Or you might want to tell the web browser of the person reading your article to open this hyperlink in the same page, or a new tab. When finished, click Update. The light box will close, and we're back in the editor. When finished, click Save and Close. Save and Close will bring you back to the Article Manager. As you develop your website, you may have many pages of articles. Navigation tools will help you. You can jump to a page, or progress one by one, or display more articles per page. The default is 20, the maximum is all. We can also use these filters. If we select a particular category, only articles in that category will be listed. Finally, we can search for an article by entering a word we know appears in its title. Don't forget to click Clear and reset the filters when you are finished. Articles can be unpublished, which means that your site visitors won't see them in the front end. However, they will be visible to you. It's done by changing the article status. First, check this box. Then go to this Actions menu and select Unpublish. Our article is now unpublished. The shortcut to publish an unpublished article is to click on this icon. To recap, we know articles are primary content displayed on the front end. We've used Article Manager to create and edit an article, and seen how the WYSIWYG editor works. We've learned about navigating a long list of article titles, and learned to unpublish an article and hide it from the front end. We now need to learn how to make our article appear in the front end. This is explained in the menus tutorial. Thank you. You may now close this box.